Hi guys, this is Bhaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about the wildcard operations which has been used in SQL. We use a like clause to filter out the data or to retrieve data from the select statement. Basically, the SQL like clause is used to compare a value to similar values using this wildcard operator. There are mainly two kinds of wildcards used for this operations in conjunctions with like there are like underscore and percentage. The percentage sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters, whereas the underscore represents a single number of character. Okay. So let's see with an example. So this is how we write the syntax for that, where column and like the clause will be here, used to compare values, similar values, which is using wildcard operations, it's been used for select, update, and delete in the filter conditions. Okay. So let's start with the basic example. Let's use Adventure Network DB. Um, let's select star from person table. Okay, like so we use the first statement wildcard in conjunction with the percentage sign like D. So if you see here, uh, like this is meaning the name should starts with D. Okay, so star from persons where uh, first name like D percent. So starts with D. Similarly, we can provide DR multiple characters also here. So if it provides the starts the name with dr, drew and dragon. Okay. So if we provide it at the end, like percentage D, it ends with D actually. Syed, Edward, Richard, Ronald, David. So these all are ending with D. So we can provide with multiple characters also like RA. So we have Jared, Fred, which are ending with last red. Okay. So this is for the ending. So similarly, we can provide in between also. Dan between. So the Dan should be will be present in between the first names. So if we give here as a Dan and percentage, so we can see here Jordan, Dana, Danny, Daniel, Dan, Jordan. So we can get the appending prefix and suffix with other characters as well. Okay. Mm, so these are like three options which we have here. And for the underscore, it is compare similar value using a wildcard operation, but only one characters will be there if we provide like this. Uh, this is all for percentage. Multiple characters will be there for underscore. Select star from person where first name is, let's say, starting with, there's only one character which can be replaced here in the first one. So it's Dana is there. Let me, so we have Anna, and some characters at the end. Suppose if we have two characters, giving two underscores there. So there's no names like that, which satisfies this regular expression. So we have four characters totally, but the middle two will should be NA, ANAV. So we have four characters. The second character should start with A, Jack, Jada, Mary. Okay, so there are like multiple ways we can be done, and we can even also place give multiple characters here. Four characters, but what is this is there? So if we give more, three more, total we have six characters to be displayed here. So we have Jackie, Rachel, Jacqueline. Okay, so there are a lot of other parameters which satisfies this has been displayed here. So that's for the underscore. And along with that, we can also use this the square brackets, the OR conditions, like ABC star. Okay, so let's see this one. What happens here is here select the starting query, person's query table, where first name like it should be in between square brackets. It can start with either A or B or C. Any of the characters it can start. So if you see here, let's order by first name. So if you see here, we have Aaron, B, Christopher, Christian. So all are there only for the which are starting with A and B. You can also provide the same string with a different way by providing A to C like this. Both gives the same results. It is going to give 4707 rows here, and here as well you should get the same number of 4707 rows. Okay. So apart from this, even we can end with if you give the percentage sign at the start and give it end, the names which are ending with ABC will be provided here. So if you see Alexa, Alexandra, so we have all these names ending with ABC. Let's remove A and see what are the names which we get. Bob, Caleb. Okay. So these are the some of the operations which we can do here. I think I have almost covered all the wild characters which has been used mostly in the SQL. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.